Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern home with an organic, futuristic design that blends seamlessly with nature. The house features curved, shell-like structures made of textured stone or concrete, creating a unique, flowing architecture. Large glass walls allow for unobstructed views of the beautifully landscaped garden and let warm golden light from the interior spill outside, giving the space a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. In front of the home, a serene pond with a small cascading waterfall reflects the building and surrounding greenery, adding to the peaceful, harmonious environment. Lush plants, rocks, and trees surround the area, enhancing the sense of tranquility and connection with nature. The overall scene feels like a perfect balance between modern innovation and natural serenity. A modern two-story house surrounded by lush greenery. The design features a sleek, contemporary architectural style with clean lines, flat roofs, and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow natural light to flood the interiors. Warm wooden slats add texture and contrast to the otherwise minimalist structure, blending beautifully with the surrounding nature. The house has an open, inviting layout, with large indoor spaces visible from the outside. The ground floor connects seamlessly to the landscaped garden, which is designed with a mix of stone pathways, manicured lawns, and ornamental plants, creating a harmonious balance between architecture and nature. The upper floor includes wide balconies adorned with greenery, further emphasizing the integration of natural elements. Soft, warm interior lighting glows through the glass panels, creating a cozy and elegant atmosphere. This residence embodies modern luxury living, combining sophistication with comfort and a strong connection to the environment. A stunning lakeside house surrounded by lush greenery. The home is designed in a modern rustic style, with dark wooden siding, large windows, and multiple balconies that provide scenic views of the surrounding nature. Warm, ambient lighting from the inside glows through the windows, giving the house a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The property features expansive wooden decks that extend directly over the water, with integrated lighting adding a touch of elegance. Comfortable outdoor seating areas are arranged for relaxation, making it a perfect retreat. The calm lake reflects the soft lights of the house, while lily pads and reeds enhance the natural beauty of the scene. A striking modern house nestled within lush greenery, blending contemporary architecture with a tropical environment. The building features a bold, geometric design with sharp lines and large rectangular volumes stacked across multiple levels. Its dark concrete exterior contrasts beautifully with the surrounding vibrant foliage, while expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows open up the interior to natural light and breathtaking views. Balconies and terraces are adorned with planters filled with cascading greenery, creating harmony between the man-made structure and nature. Warm lighting inside highlights the sophisticated living spaces, including cozy lounges, a dining area, and bedrooms, giving the home both elegance and comfort. The combination of sleek modern design, abundant natural integration, and the tropical garden setting makes this house appear like a luxurious sanctuary hidden in the heart of the forest. A modern eco-friendly home seamlessly integrated into its natural surroundings. The house has a sleek, rectangular design with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that open up to the lush greenery outside, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The exterior features a vertical garden wall with vibrant plants and flowers, bringing life and color to the minimalist black frame of the building. On the roof, solar panels highlight the home's commitment to sustainability. The warm, wooden interior visible through the windows adds a cozy and inviting contrast to the contemporary exterior. In the foreground, a neatly landscaped garden with fresh green grass, shrubs, and a few ornamental plants enhances the harmony between architecture and nature. A modern outdoor lounge bench completes the serene, eco-luxury vibe of this sustainable retreat. A luxurious modern two-story house surrounded by greenery. The architecture features a sleek, contemporary design with clean lines, flat roofs, and large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The exterior combines natural stone and warm wooden paneling, giving the house both elegance and warmth. A spacious balcony with glass railings extends from the upper floor, offering a stylish outdoor living space with views of the landscaped garden below. The lower level opens directly onto a patio furnished with a dining area, blending perfectly with the manicured lawn, stone pathways, and decorative shrubs. Soft ambient lighting from both the interior and exterior enhances the house's welcoming atmosphere, while the surrounding tall trees add privacy and a serene natural backdrop. This home embodies modern luxury living in harmony with nature. A stunning two-story modern luxury house with a sleek, contemporary design. The exterior is dominated by expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, creating a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The structure features clean horizontal lines, flat overhanging roofs, and a sophisticated combination of stone, glass, and metal materials. Warm golden lighting glows from within, giving the home an inviting and elegant ambience that contrasts beautifully with the cool, minimalist architecture. On the ground floor, open living areas and a dining space are visible through the transparent facade, while the upper level reveals cozy lounges and private rooms, each with access to a wide balcony. Surrounded by lush greenery and a landscaped garden, the house embodies modern sophistication and tranquility, blending luxury living with a natural retreat-like atmosphere. Modern house with a sleek, contemporary design surrounded by lush greenery. The home features a wide, open facade with large floor-to-ceiling glass panels framed in black, allowing natural light to flood the interior and creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The exterior is clad in dark-toned brick, giving the house a bold and elegant character. The interior, warmly lit, reveals a stylish open-concept kitchen and dining area with exposed brick walls, pendant lighting, and modern furnishings. Outside, a beautifully landscaped garden with stone pathways, manicured grass, and cozy lounge seating areas creates an inviting atmosphere for relaxation. This house combines industrial charm with modern sophistication, blending raw materials like brick and steel with soft lighting and comfortable decor, making it a perfect balance of style, comfort, and harmony with nature.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.